Hey everyone! Ever wondered what your water bottle, the air you breathe, and a lightning bolt have in common? They're all made of matter, just in different states. First up, solids. Think of an ice cube. Its molecules are packed tightly together, giving it a fixed shape and volume. That's why you can hold it in your hand. Next, we have liquids. When that ice cube melts, it becomes water. The molecules in a liquid are a bit more relaxed. They can flow and take the shape of their container, like the water in your glass. Heat it up even more and you get a gas. Steam from a boiling kettle is water vapor. Gas molecules are super energetic, zipping around and spreading out to fill any space they can. But wait, there's more. The fourth state is plasma. It's like a superheated gas where atoms are broken apart. You see it in stars, lightning, and even in those cool plasma ball toys. So solid, liquid, gas, and plasma are all around us, every single day. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this quick science bite, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.